front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness right away. Then scroll again, this time to click on Font Settings. Last but not least, operate this slider to adjust your font size and check out Preview at the top. Don't worry, it will work and your changes will be automatically applied. So when I go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!